In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center all page headings on your Shopify store. This tutorial will work not only on your contact page, but across all themes 2.0, providing a uniform look throughout your site. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify store. This is your main dashboard, the control room for all your store settings and designs. Once you're logged in, head over to the Themes section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. It's here where you'll be able to modify the appearance of your store. When you've opened the Themes page, look for your current theme and click on Customize. This will bring up the customization screen. But in our case, we need to make a code adjustment. So instead, look for the small link that says Actions, and from the drop-down list, select Edit Code. This process may seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with coding, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Once you're in the code editor, we're going to search for a specific file to make our changes. Look for the search bar within the editor and type in Main Page. This will help narrow down the files to those containing layout information for your main pages. With the right file open, we need to input some extra code to center your headings. Scroll down the code until you find a logical place to insert a new CSS rule. It doesn't have to be precise in location, but contextually placing it amongst similar styles is a good practice. Here, you'll want to type in Text Align Center. This CSS command tells your page to align all text center, particularly focusing on headings to give your store a clear, professional look. After entering the code, make sure everything looks correct. Check for any typos, as even a small error in the code can prevent your changes from working correctly. Once you're confident everything is in place, the next critical step is saving your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right of the editor. Click it and allow a moment for your adjustments to be processed. As a final tip, once you've made these changes, take a moment to preview your store to ensure everything appears as expected. You can do this by navigating back to the main themes page and selecting Preview next to your selected theme. This allows you to see your changes in action, making sure your headings are all centered on the page. And that's it! You've successfully centered your page headings on Shopify. With this small tweak, your store should have a more cohesive and visually appealing look. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips and tricks.